How to fix we limit how often you can do certain things on Instagram. Don't worry. Here's how you can fix it on your Android. First, stop using Instagram for 24 to 72 hours. This is a temporary restriction, and it usually disappears on its own. During this time, avoid liking, commenting, following, or unfollowing too many accounts. Next, open Settings, then tap Apps and select Instagram. Tap Storage, then tap Clear Cache. This clears temporary files without deleting your account or data. If the issue continues, uninstall Instagram and reinstall the latest version from the Play Store, then sign back into your account. Also, avoid using any third-party apps or automation tools that promise more followers, likes, or comments, as these can trigger Instagram's security system. Finally, if the restriction still hasn't been removed after a few days, open Instagram, go to Profile, tap the three-line menu, then tap Activity. Then scroll down and tap Help. After that, report a problem. Explain the issue and submit your report to Instagram. That's it. These steps should help fix the we limit how often you can do certain things on Instagram error. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android how-to tutorials.